Hi friends, welcome to Rajan Robotics in our series of Python quiz. So we are learning Python with Rajan Robotics using the quiz. So in our today's quiz, we are going to realize the operator. So now let us quickly see the question. Capital R is equal to 14.5, small r is equal to 2, print capital R double backslash small r. So this is the question and the options are A 7, B error, C 7.0, D 7.25 and the time starts now. Yes, I hope you have guessed the answer, and the answer for this today's question is option C 7.0. Now already have discussed earlier what this float division means, right? In our previous quiz, you can see that quiz on top of this. You can find that link on top of this video, and this is called as float division. So the main purpose of float division is so we can get the quotient. So when we divide a number, for example, when we divide 7 floor division 2, so we get the quotient when 7 is divided by 2. So the answer would be 3, right? In today's question, what we have discussed is 14.5 divided by 2. So what happens? So earlier we were dividing an integer by integer. So today we are dividing 14.5 floor division 2. So this is a floating number and this is an integer. So what would be the answer? So what would be the quotient? So now let us understand it. So when we go for integer floor division integer, the output will be integer according to the Python document. So when we divide, when we use floor division for between integers, we get integer. So when we use float division integer, we get float. The quotient will be in the form of float. Okay, and when we go for integer float division float, so we get float as the quotient value, and when we go for float division float, we get float as the quotient. Now let us practically see this to understand better, right? So the same question, capital R is equal to 14.5, so this is going to be a float, right? And small r is equal to 2, this is an integer. So what we are doing is we are doing float division integer. So as per the Python documentation, we have to get float as answer, right? The quotient will be in the float. So the expected answer for this question is so 14.5 divided by 2. So the quotient would be 7. 2 7 the 14. So forget about the remainder part. Okay. So the quotient would be 7. So now let us save this file, run the module. Yes, see this 7.0, because since we are dividing float by integer, the answer was 7.0. So if any number, either the divisor or the dividend or is a float, so we get the quotient in the form of 7 in the form of float. So this is the concept we have learned it. So when we are using float division, always have a clear picture that so when we go for integer float division integer, the quotient will be integer. Apart from that, if anything, either the divisor or the dividend is float, then we get the quotient in the form of float. I hope you have enjoyed today's quiz and got a lot of insights from this quiz. So to learn more courses like Python, Arduino, robotics, embedded system using ARM, app development and many more courses, register your details in the link specified here, or you can scan this QR code to register your details, and also the same link is specified in the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching, and you can also follow us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram to get latest updates about the Rajan Robotics, and subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you friends.